Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, I'm here to present about inorganic chemistry practicum. The title module is Zeolit synthesis from rice, Hask. Before we start about the practicum, I'm introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Musli Malajai. Okay, the first A, the title is Zeolit synthesis from rice, Hask. B, objective synthesis Zeolit from rice, Hask. C, literature review. Zeolit are three-dimensional silica alumina crystal formed from tetrahedral alumina and silica with cavities inside that contain metal ions, usually alkaline or alkaline soil and free-moving water molecules. One of the zeolite elements is silica. The quality of an element depends largely on its purity. Rice Hask has a very high silica content. Silica level in rice Hask range from 85 until 97%. Zeolite can be found naturally or naturally zeolite and can also be made with certain techniques or synthetic zeolite. Synthetic zeolites have different characteristics to natural zeolite. If the characteristics of natural zeolite depend on the geological and geographical condition of nature, then the characteristics of the synthesis zeolite are only influenced by synthesis technique, manufacturing process condition, and composition of raw materials. D, methods. Number 1, experimental tools. Tools name, number 1, watch glass. Tools function, where the object in the observation and place it to weigh the material, and the category 1. Number 2, beaker glass, used as a place of chemical experiments, and a category 1. Number 3, measuring cup, used to measure the volume aqueous, category 1. And number 4, drop pipette, the function take to solution is small volume. Number 5, spatula, use them to take material, category number 1. Number 6, measuring flask, to dilute certain substance to the limit of the measuring flask, category number 1. 7, mortar, used to crush solid material, category number 1. Number 8, analytical balance, the function to weigh the rocks sifted limestone, category 2. Number 9, hot plate, the function to heat sample, the category 2. Number 10, oven, the function is to heat sample and dry sample, category 2. Number 2, experimental material. Number 1, material name is rice Hask. The physical properties, the silica content of rice Hask in the form of powder. The chemical properties, it has an amorphous structure so that the smelting temperature is not too high and the time used is not long. Category general. Number 2, aqueous. Physical properties, clear liquid, boiling point 100 Celsius, freezing point 0 Celsius. Chemical properties, not flammable, is a polar solvent, is an H plus ion associated with OH mean. Material category general. Number 3, filter paper. Physical properties, sheet shape, colored white. Chemical properties, the filter paper with quartz filter has chemical resistance. Material category general. Number 4, potassium hydroxide or KOH. Physical properties, molar mass 567 gram mole, boiling point 1327 Celsius, melting point 300 melting point 360 Celsius, shaped with solid, and the chemical soluble in alcohol glycerol, insoluble in other liquid ammonia. The category specific. And number 5, aluminum sulfate. The physical molar mass 342.15 gram per mole. White crystal solid hygroscopic. Melting point 770 Celsius. And the chemical slightly soluble in alcohol, dilute mineral acid, and the category specific. Number 3, experimental work sim. Start. Weigh the sample Reichs has as much as 2025 for pre-compression. The second, weighing KOH with different gram composition. Each mass as 5 gram, 4 point. Bukan poin ini, kali kali ini 4 kali 375 bahagi 3 itu koma 4,375 bahagi 375. Oh, bepo nggak. Tunggu ya, kita cek. Bagi itu apa ya? 4. Oh ya. The next, weighing KOH with different gram composition. Each match as 5 gram, 4.375, 3.75, and add 10 ml of water. The third, weighing aluminum sulfate 375 gram for 3 compression and add 10 milliliter of water each. The next step, the solution thicken. The thick solution is transferred into the washed glass and then dried in the oven. The next step, observe the change that occurs. The next step, finish. Result and discuss. Number 1, result. The treatment weighing rice as in the trick compression. The observation as much as 5,035 gram, 5,024 gram, 506 gram. Weighing KOH potassium hydroxide in the 3 compression. The observation as much as 306 gram, 3,784 gram, 7,670 gram. Weighing aluminum sulfate 3 in 3 compression each as much 1, 2,520 gram, 1, 2,507 gram, 1, 2,510 gram. Making KOH solution for each compression by adding 10 ml aqueous. The observation water solved. The treatment next. Making aluminum sulfate 3 a solution for each compression by adding 10 aqueous water soluble. Mixing KOH solution with aluminum sulfate 3 and a rice half as. The observation each compression is not dissolved in water and sediment. The treatment, heating the solution for each compression is a water bath. The observation, the solution thickens. The last, drying each sample compression in the oven. Observation, synthesis zeolite is formed in deep color and not stick. Number 2, discussion. Zeolite is rock that has a unique depressed crystal structure with an element dominant are element in silica, so zeolite is widely used in the forest field, including absorbers, waste handling animal feed. Catalyst egg zeolite are also widely used as material research abroad or Indonesia. In the experiment, rice husk was used from zeolite synthesis. In the sample rice husk used was taken from Health Road number 24 North Toto, Tilong Kabila, Bone Bolango, Regency, Gorontalo 96129 in Indonesia. We won the place of the sampling. The zeolite synthesis experiment used a sample of the rice husk because rice husks are large source of the silica. This experiment used rice husk S weighing 22.5 grams for 3 compression to 7.5 grams for each compression. Figure 2, the process of the weighing rice husk S. Then we weigh aluminum sulfate 3 made in the 3 compression where of aluminum sulfate 3 is 375 grams to weight of 125 grams each. After weighing, we dissolve aluminum sulfate 3 using 10 ml of water. Figure 3, the process of weighing aluminum sulfate 3. The weighing KOH made in the compression 10 grams to 5 grams. The second rate of 78 grams to 375 grams, and the third rate of 5 grams to 375 grams. After weighing, we dissolve KOH using 10 ml of water. Figure 4, the process of the weighing KOH. Next, mix rice husk X with a solution aluminum sulfate 3 and KOH with its compression. The result of the treatment in the soluble solution and deposit are formed from rice husk X. This solution is called a heterogeneous solution. Figure 5, mixing the 3 material into heterogeneous solution. The reaction that occurs between aluminum sulfate 3 and rice husk is in here. The reaction between KOH and rice husk S is in here. And the reaction that occurs between KOH, aluminum sulfate 3 and rice husk S is in here. Mixing with aluminum sulfate 3 with KOH and dissolve various impurities found in the rice husk S, so it can increase the presence of silica element in it. Material unwelded material X explains the rate of the seal. Heating the solution over the water handler with the stirring aims to make the solution quickly dissolve and thicken. The result of the treatment is that the solution turns because of the shell. This heating is done by stirring so that the conversion process occurs evenly. Figure 6, stirring process until it thickens. After thicken, then drying the oven at 75479 Celsius for 1 hour until the sample dries until hard textured and pitch black. Figure 7, drying the process, and Figure 8, synthesis zeolite. Conclusion: based on experimental results especially it can be said that zeolite can be synthesized in rice husk S using KOH as base and aluminum sulfate 3 and as acid. It is indicated by the resulting form of zeolite. Microbe synthesis that runs up the temperatures can produce zeolite crystal synthesis after 70 minutes. And Z bibliography right here. And thank you so much for my presentation of Inorganic Chemistry Practicum and the title Zeolite Synthesis from Rice Husk S. And my name is Muslim Lajay, so thank you so much. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.